In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate approvals with Asana Rules. By the end, you'll have a simple automation that moves tasks to an approved section the moment their approval status changes to approved, saving your team clicks and keeping your board tidy. First, open the Asana login page and sign in. If your workspace uses Google Single Sign-On, choose your Google account to continue. Once you're in, head to the project where you want this automation to live. I'm opening a project called Project Management, but you can use any project that tracks items through an approval process. On the project, open the Customize panel on the right. In that panel, click Add and choose Rule with AI Studio. You'll see a few ways to get started. You can browse pre-made automations or ask Asana's AI for help, but for full control, select Start from Scratch. Let's build the rule. For the trigger, click When and select Approval Status is Changed. This ensures the rule runs anytime someone updates a task's approval state. You may see the approval status is changed option again in the configuration. Confirm it so the trigger is locked in. Next, add a condition to make the rule fire only when the task is specifically approved. Click Check If and choose Approval Status is, then set it to Approved. This keeps the rule from running on other outcomes like rejected or changes requested. Now set the action. Click Do This, then choose Change. Open the dropdown and select Approved. This tells Asana what to do when the condition is met. Move or mark the task into your approved destination so it appears in the right place without manual sorting. Give the rule a quick review to make sure the trigger, condition, and action look correct, then click Publish Rule. Close the Customize panel and let's test it. Use the Move Tasks control to take a test task and place it into the approval stage. Moving it from To Do to Approval is perfect for this demo. As the approval status updates to Approved, watch what happens. The task automatically moves into your approved section. That's the rule doing the work for you, instantly reflecting the new status on your board. A few quick tips as you adopt this. Make sure your team consistently uses the approval status field so the trigger has accurate data to act on, and consider naming your rule clearly so collaborators know what it does. You can always come back to Customize to adjust the condition or action if your process evolves. And that's it. Your approvals are now automated with Asana Rules.